Why is Qatar suddenly pledging full support for Yemen's legitimate government while calling for dialogue as Saudi Arabia and the UAE clash over the war-torn country? Qatar's foreign ministry announced on December 26, 2025, that it fully supports the legitimate Yemeni government and stresses preserving Yemen's unity and territorial integrity. The statement came as UAE-backed Southern Transitional Council (STC) forces seized Hadramaut and Mahra provinces, prompting Saudi airstrikes and a diplomatic crisis. Qatar also affirmed that Saudi and GCC security is indivisible from its own, welcoming Saudi and UAE statements while calling dialogue the best path to stability. The context reveals Qatar's strategic repositioning. The STC's takeover of oil-rich Hadramaut and strategic Mahra threatens to split Yemen, which Qatar opposes. After years of Gulf division, Doha is rebuilding bridges with Riyadh, while the UAE's proxies challenge Yemen's unity. Qatar's call for dialogue serves multiple purposes. It supports its Saudi ally, opposes separatism, and presents itself as a mediator. By stressing GCC security unity, Qatar reminds Abu Dhabi that fragmentation hurts all Gulf states. Qatar's statement is diplomatic posturing. While Doha's words stress unity, the STC forces, backed by UAE weapons, continue consolidating control over southern Yemen. Qatar has little leverage to force UAE withdrawal of its proxies. The statement is more about repairing Qatar's image after the 2017-2021 blockade than actually stopping Yemen's fragmentation. Without concrete action to pressure the UAE, Qatar's support for dialogue rings hollow. What do you think? Should Qatar use its influence to force the UAE to withdraw STC forces to preserve Yemen's unity? Or is this just diplomatic posturing that won't stop the country's fragmentation? Drop your thoughts below.